Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
We are fine, and you?
Fine, thank you. Today we shall discuss about a 8th class story. The name of the story is The Riddle Master. We have already discussed that two SGFs of the story. Today we shall begin with the SGP 3, and that is like this. This is like this. You understand it? So SGP3, that SGP3,
Three.
all the boys could understand it. All the boys means all the children.
Yes.
We came to know that children search around the riddle master, that is Hadam. Could understand? Buddhu Hadam. So all the boys who had been listening, ଯିଏ ଶୁଣି ଆସୁଛି attentively, ମନ ଧ୍ୟାନ ଦେଇକିରି, laughed at once, ସମସ୍ତେ ହସିଲେ. Who laughed at once? All the boys could understand. All of them still sat looking at Buddha Hadam. Who? Who were looking at Buddha Hadam? Students. The boys who was sitting closer to the wall. Buddha Hadam was sitting closer to the hall. ଅତି ନିକଟରେ ବସିଛି, ହଲ୍ ନିକଟରେ. ଦି ବଏସ୍ ନ୍ୟୁ, ଜାଣିଥିଲେ. ହୁ ନ୍ୟୁ? ଦି ବଏସ୍ ନ୍ୟୁ, ପିଲାମାନେ ଜାଣିଥିଲେ. ୱାନ୍ସ ହି ଫିନିଶ୍ଡ ଟେକିଂ ରେଡ୍ ଟି, ନାଲି ଚାହା ପିଇ ସାରିଲା ପରେ, ୱାନ୍ସ ହି ଫିନିଶ୍ଡ ଟେକିଂ ରେଡ୍ ଟି, ହି ଉଡ୍ ଆସ୍କ ଦେମ୍ ଏ ରିଡିଲ୍. ନିଶ୍ଚିତ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଗୋଟେ ଗୋଲକ ଧନ୍ଦା ପଚାରିବ, ରିଡିଲ୍ ପଚାରିବ. This was known to the boys. They were getting ready. Who were getting ready? The boys were getting ready. ପ୍ରସ୍ତୁତ ହେଉଛନ୍ତି for the test. ପରୀକ୍ଷା ପାଇଁ ପ୍ରସ୍ତୁତ ହେଉଛନ୍ତି. When the ready tea went in, ଯେତେବେଳେ ପିଇଦେଲା, the riddle came out. Could understand? ଗୁଡୁ ହାଡାମର ପେଟ ଭିତରକୁ ଯେମିତି ରେଡି ଟି ପଳେଇଲା, riddle came out, ବାହାରି ପଡ଼ିଲା. What came out? Riddle came out. From whose stomach? From Buddha Haram's stomach. Could understand? The bullock that raises its tail. Bullock cat, ବଳଦ ଶଗଡ଼. Bullock ଯିଏ ଲାଞ୍ଜ ଟେକେ, raise means ଟେକି by its tail, ଲାଞ୍ଜ. When it eats belly full. ପେଟ ଭର୍ତ୍ତି ହେଇଗଲେ ଯିଏ ଲାଞ୍ଜ ଟେକେ, this is the riddle. Thrice he repeated the riddle. 3 ଥର ଏଇଟାକୁ ରିପିଟ୍ କଲା, ବାରମ୍ବାର ଆବୃତ୍ତି କଲା. Who? Buddha Haram. Ask the riddle. He who can answer the riddle will be the little riddle master today. And said, ଆଜି ଯିଏ ଏ ଗପଟା ରିଡିଲ୍ଟା କହିଦେବ, ସେ today he would become the little riddle master. ସିଏ ଆଜି riddle master ହେବ. Added the old man. The old man who? Buddha Hadam. Everyone was quiet. ସମସ୍ତେ ନୀରବ. No sound, no movement. ଶବ୍ଦ ନାହିଁ, ଚଳପ୍ରଚଳ ନାହିଁ, ହାଲତ ନାହିଁ, ଚଳତ ନାହିଁ. Everyone was trying his best. ସମସ୍ତେ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କର ଶତଚେଷ୍ଟା ଲଗେଇଛନ୍ତି. To find an answer, ଉତ୍ତର ଖୋଜିବାକୁ. When no reply came for a long time, ଦୀର୍ଘ ସମୟ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ଯେତେବେଳେ କି କିଛି ଉତ୍ତର ଆସିଲା ନାହିଁ। ବୁଦ୍ଧ ହାଡ଼ାମ allowed them to guess. ଅନୁମାନ, ଗେସ୍ ମିନ୍ସ ଅନୁମାନ କରିବା ଦି ଆନ୍ସର। ବୁଦ୍ଧ ଆରାମ ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ ଆର ଉତ୍ତର ଅନୁମାନ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ବୋଲି ସୁଯୋଗ ଦେଲା। So is it an animal? Asked one boy. One boy asked. Who asked? One boy asked. ଏଇଟା କ'ଣ ଗୋଟେ ପଶୁ କି? No came the reply. ନାହିଁ କଲା, ଉତ୍ତର ଆସିଲା ନାହିଁ। Is it food? ଏହା ଖାଦ୍ୟ କି? Suggested another boy. ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ବୟ ପଚାରିଲା। No said the old man. Old man କହିଲା no, ଉତ୍ତର ଆସିଲା no. Now let's see what happened then. Yes, a boy who was all the time sitting silently, ଯେ କି ସଦାବେଳେ ନୀରବରେ ବସୁଥିଲା, in front of the old man, suggested at last, is it a thing used by a businessman? ଏଇଟା ଗୋଟେ କି ଜିନିଷଟି ଯେଉଁଟାକି ବ୍ୟବସାୟୀମାନଙ୍କ ଦ୍ୱାରା ବ୍ୟବହୃତ ହୁଏ। Yes, but tell me what is. ହଁ କିନ୍ତୁ ଏଇଟା କ'ଣଟା? Yes, but tell me what it is. A weighing balance. What did I say? A weighing balance. Nikiti. କ'ଣ ସେଇଟା? Nikiti. Said the boy. The old man stood up laughing. ହସି ହସି ଛିଡ଼ା ହେଲା। And took the boy in his arms. ତାକୁ କାଖେଇଲା। Shouting, ଚିତ୍କାର କଲା। Here is the little master. Here is the little master. ହେଇଟି ଇଏ ଆକା little master. Who said it? The no old man. Old man means good. What? Buddhu Hadam. Right? Now let's have a comprehension questions. What did I say? Comprehension questions. The previous section पूर्व विभागरे the previous section पूर्व विभाग was about Buddhu Hadam and the moneylender. How Buddhu Hadam cheated the moneylender. केमिति ताको moneylender को महाजन को ठकी देइतिला. What is this section about? वर्तमान section ताको विषय। This is the section is about a small boy who answered the riddle asked by Buddhu Hadam, whom Buddhu lovingly calls the little riddle master. This was the story about, section about. Next question is, that is question number 2. What riddle did Buddhu Hadam ask the children? Buddhu asked the children a riddle which was the bullock that raises its tail when it is its belly full. This is the riddle Buddha asked to the children. Next question, that is 3. Was it a difficult riddle? Yes, it was a difficult riddle, mind-blowing riddle. 4. Who was called the little riddle master? A small boy who was all the time sitting silently before Buddhu Hadam answered the riddle and was called the little riddle master. Name at least 10 types of Orisha. ଜାତୀୟ ଏଇ ଜନଜାତି ମାନେ ଗିରିଜନ ମାନଙ୍କର 10ଟି ନାଁ କୁହ। So the କୋଲା, ଶବର, ଜୁଆଙ୍ଗ, କୋନ୍ଦ, ଓରମ, ହାହୋ, ମାଟିଆ, ବୁନ୍ଦା, ହୁଣ୍ଡା, ଭୂଇଁଆ, ଦୋରା, କୋୟା are some of the tribes of Orissa. Okay. Next one, now let's move to the post reading section. Yes, here is fill in the blank with the correct alternative. Right? What did I say? Fill in the blank. Buddhu Hadam was a moneylender. B. Woodcutter. C. Farmer. D. Storyteller. Which is correct? Tell me. Number 1 is correct. Number D is correct. What did I say? Number D is correct. Right? Number D is correct. Okay. Next one is yes. Buddha Hadam called a tooth a days. A wildcat, B hairy caterpillar, C white stone, D hornless bullock. Which is correct? Number C is correct. Number C is correct. Right? This one is wrong. Number C is correct. White stone. Right? Next one is who was a crown but who has a crown but is not a king. A cock, B hen, C crow, D peacock. Cock. Right answer is cock. You know. Next. A bamboo with 7 eyes is the dash. A harmonium, B guitar, C flute, D sitar. Which is correct? Number C is correct flute. A flute has a 7 what? 7 eyes. Next one is let's move to the next question. Yeah, next question. Okay. So here is content. What is given? Match the paragraphs with their content. विषय वस्तु को paragraph रे को विषय वस्तु अच्छी वही चाल match them with their content. विषय content means विषय वस्तु contents. One has been done for you. तुम पे गोटे कराई so a Buddhu can tell stories like the thieves and the widow's son and the wicked jackal. B refers to B number two. Number two. So to paragraph two, the content of paragraph two is Buddhu Hadam's talk is full of riddles. This one is the right answer. Okay. Right. Next one is that is so number three. What did I say? Seven. Seven refers to C. Seven refers to C. The long and difficult riddle of the money lender solved by Buddha. Next, 6 refers to FG. 6 refers to F and G. Okay, Buddha cheated the money lender. The money lender went on moving forward and backward. Could understand that? Now let's move these. The other things you can do it. Okay. Next one is that is here. Yes. What is this? Your teacher will read aloud the following paragraph. Listen to him or her and fill in the blanks. Okay. We shall do it. I shall read and you will listen to me and do the needful. Right? So with the two other people as witness, here we shall write witness. Could understand? What did I say? Witness. Witness. Yes, I met the money lender. All of us went to the forest. What did I say? Forest. Forest. It was a very cold morning. 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 I asked him to take off his warm clothes. Then I gathered some dry leaves, leaves, leaves patra, and wood to set fire to them. We sat very close. This is close. CLOSE. Close to the fire when it blazed. blazed. Hutasan hui jalila. It was very hot and he moved backward. Backward. Right? Backward. In this way, I also know. So he moved backward. I also, where is he? I also moved backward. When the fire was less hot, he felt cold and moved forward. This is called forward. Forward. Yeah, forward. In this way, he went on moving backward and forward. Next, let's move to the next question. What is that question? Yes, here is the next question. So speaking, here is a dialogue. Let's practice. चलो अभ्यास करिबा the following dialogue निम्नलिखित संलाप dialogues. Teacher versus student, students versus teachers, students versus students. Okay, money lender said, pay my loan, Buddhu. Buddhu Haram, I don't have money, sir. Money lender, then anyway, then answer my riddles. Buddhu Haram, yes, sir. Money lender, Raja's plate that cannot be washed. What is it? Buddhu Haram, a snake. Money lender, a bamboo with 7 eyes. Buddhu Adam said, a flute. Money lender, you have answered all my riddles. You need not pay my money back, Buddhu. Tu paisa deba dakkar nahi. This was the another one is there. So Buddhu said, thank you. Right. Next vocabulary. Match the riddle with the words from the lesson. Write the riddle numbers inside a bracket. A hornless bullock. A hornless bullock. That is which is called a hornless bullock? Tell me. Tell me. Leopard. Next, white stone. Teeth. Teeth is called white stone. Okay. Next one is just 1 minute. One. Leopard 1. Teeth 2. And 3. Hairy caterpillar bear 3. 3. Next, Raja's plate that cannot be washed snake, that is 4 snake. Next, a bamboo with 7 eyes, that is flute, that is 5. And who has a crown but is not a king, that is 6. Cock is 6. Okay. Okay, let's move to the next question. Match the riddle with the answer. I am one of an endless family. My brothers and sisters never far behind. I cross and I swill, grind pebbles, growl, and gnaw the bones of the land like a great wet dog. So let's see what is it. This is fire. Next one is, here is another one, that is little cow Rani. Little cow Rani, she sleeps in her stall. Give her a little or much, she shall eat it of all. Give her water, she will die. Give her butter, she will fly. Number 2 is stars. At night the king had a cow. At night the king had a cow so many, but in the morning there was not any. That is letter E. At night the king had a cow so many. No, no, right answer is actually these are not the answer. The first one is the right answer is number one is wave. Could understand? Number one is wave. Just 1 minute. It is wrongly written file. This is a wave. WAV wave. Second one is fire.
Fire.
Not a stars, fire. Right? Yeah. Third one is stars. ମାମୁଁରେ ଗୋଟେ ଗାଈ ରାତି ପାଇଲେ ଗୋଟେ ନେଇ, that is star. Stars. And number 4 is letter E. For what is that? I am once in tea, twice in coffee, but not in sugar. Who am I? देखो टी रे ई लगी ना ने once. Mark the word coffee. There are two E's. Coffee. But in sugar there is no use of E. So right answer is E. Letter E. Next question, let's move for question number 5. It is black and white and we read it all over. What is it? Newspaper. So number 5 is newspaper. Okay. Okay. Next one is another. Here it is. Create some riddle. One is given with another who has a teeth but cannot white comb. ଦାନ୍ତ ଅଛି କିନ୍ତୁ କରିପାରୁନି. Next. See, what can travel around the world while staying in a corner? A stamp. Next question is next riddle is what has a head and a tail but no body? तार मुंड अच्छी लांज अच्छी but no body, and that is a coin. Coin has a head and a tail. Could understand? Which creature walks on 4 legs in the morning, 2 legs in the afternoon, and 3 legs in the evening? That is a man. Answer is a man. What has eyes but cannot see? A needle has eyes. Everyone in the world breaks me when they speak every time. Who am I? That is silence. Silence. The answer is silent. Now look at the underlined words in the following sentences taken from the text. So, what is this? Look at the underlined words in the following sentences taken from the text. Every evening, children sit around. Around means chari parshware. Buddhu had to listen to his stories. The underlined word is around. There is no one in the village who can tell stories like Buddhu Hadam. Here is the word that is underlined. So he is very good at riddles. Here underlined word is at. His story are full of riddles. Here of is underlined. Do you know what the underlined words in the sentence above are called? They are called prepositions. So prepositions are used before nouns or pronouns. They show place, position, time, etc. Let's see what is it. Yes. In the second sentence, in the first sentence, around connects two words, seat and Buddhu Hadam. Here seat around Buddhu Hadam means seat in the position surrounding Buddhu Hadam. In the second sentence, in the village, in speaks up inside the village. There is also another preposition that is like in the second sentence. It means similar to or the same as. In the third sentence, good is followed by at to connect riddles. The preposition of in the last sentence speaks of containing that is his stories contain riddles. Fill in the gaps in the following sentence choosing the right prepositions given the bracket. Yes, there is a marketplace days our village. That is, tell me, what is it in our village? Could understand or not? In our village, the right answer is in. Yes. Number two, his bag is full of peanuts. Bharti, bharapura. Next three. Next one is 3. Let's do it. Yes. Nobody in my class can speak this Rajat. Speak like Rajat. Rajat भली केही कहिपारिबे नाही. Could understand? Like. Next one is there is a big wall dash our school. Around our school. Around. Yes. Here are 2 pens in my pocket. In move. And when Buddha started his story, children sat round him. He bought 2 tins of petrol. Okay. Next one is look at the following sentence taken from the text. Is it an animal? No, it is not. Is it a thing used by businessmen? Yes, it is. They are all yes no answer type questions. Each of the questions is followed by a short response. Now let us frame some questions to get the response given. One is done for you. This is about how to make take questions. We shall discuss the take question about take question in our next class. Till then, bye. Thank you.
It's okay.